Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the ZD Toys Marvel Spider-Man Spider-Punk Suit Action Figure 110 scale. Thank you very much, Sir Mark of Laruanan. If you want to buy this action figure, punta lang kayo sa Laruanan. Meron siya mga binibentang mga iba pang mga action figs from ZD Toys like Iron Man, Ultraman, Funjoy naman si Batman, Superman yan. Punta lang kayo sa Laruanan on Facebook and Shopee. Okay, you have the box, very high quality cardboard type of packaging. You have the ZD Toys logo here sa upper left, shot of the action figure. I really love how they make their packaging kasi ito actual na action figure to eh. So you will see the joints, the way how they edit the action figure na magmukhang tumutugtog talaga si Spider-Punk. That's very cool. Very dynamic na angle. So you have the guitar, you have the hands with the pick. Very cool. Marvel Spider-Man logo, Spider-Punk suit action figure, Marvel Spider-Man. I think meron talagang relationship si ZD Toys tsaka si Funjoy kasi itong text na to, pareho nila tong ginagamit sa mga packaging nila eh. Yan, this one. Yan, yung text na yan, yung font na yan. Okay, Disney logo, tapos Zongdong Toy na barcode. Ang ibig sabihin ng ZD Toys ay Zongdong Toy. Tapos, meron silang Disney logo, meaning this figure is original and authentic. Hindi siya KO, hindi siya fake, hindi siya bootleg. Tapos sa likod, a shot of the action figure, front, back, dynamic poses, information about ZD Toys. Tapos, dito sa side, Marvel Spider-Man. And dito naman sa right side, merong magnetic flap. If you open the box, merong first tray, nandiyan yung action figure, and yung second tray naman, nandito yung mga accessories. And this is Spider-Man, Spider-Punk suit action figure out of the box. Very nice. Ang ganda ng ginawa nila dito. Overall, super nice na suit. Super nice yung style niya. Meron siyang added na clothing dito sa kanyang upper part. And you also have the accessories. You have the hexagonal base, the pole. I-attach na lang dito. Tapos ito, spring-loaded naman to. So you can have Spider-Punk in different poses kung gusto nyo tumatalon or very dynamic rock and roll na mga poses, pwede. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 pieces of extra eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 extra hands. Tapos dalawang extra web effects. Ganda, nice. And also you have the Spider-Man guitar. Spider-Man themed guitar. Okay, shake test muna natin yung figure. Very nice joints. Ganda lang ginawa nila dito sa ano. I think this is one of the best Spider-Man action figures na ginawa nila. So you have the texture dito sa kanyang suit, a web na texture. You have the panel lines. Very nice, very clean. Tapos dito sa head, you have the spikes. Ingat lang kayo dito, medyo sharp yung kanyang mga spikes or studs. Excuse me. Then you have the eyes. Pwede niyang palitan yan. Tapos dito sa chest, you have the white trim. Then you have the blue section here sa chest. You have the studded na black belt. And dito sa may wrist niya, very nice Spider-Man logo. You have SFMN. Tapos dito rin sa may upper part ng kanyang vest, meron din mga studs. Ganda ng ginawa nila dito. Soft plastic na para siyang denim. Meron mga wash. Ganda ng texture din. Parang denim texture. Ang daming textures na ginamit. So you have different texture here sa suit, blue suit, red suit, and dito sa denim. Very nice. Gawa ng ZD Toys. Sobrang sulit nito mga ma'am sir. Then you have the blue suit, blue inner suit. Tapos ganda ng Converse style na shoes na ginawa nila dito. Imbis na Converse logo, you have the Spider-Man logo here. Tapos equip na natin tong kanya itong kanya. Ay hindi, mamaya na kapag tapos na yung articulation natin. Okay? Head can look up, down, 360. Hindi naman nahihinder yung articulation. Meron butterfly joints, okay? Rotation, double jointed elbow, ball joint yung kamay. You can stretch like that. Ab crunch like that. Okay? You can do, pwede ba extend to? Okay? Hindi masyado umiikot tong waist. Okay? Konting-konti lang. Something like that. Pull down yung paa. Kick that far. Pwede rin ganyan. Okay? Pwede nyo i-adjust. Okay? Tapos, meron ding thigh rotation. Double jointed na knee. Tapos meron ding toe articulation and then ball joint yung paa. Equip na natin 'to kanyang, guitar. Ganda lang ginawa nila dito kasi merong option na merong hand na may hawak na guitar pick. Alright, so there you go. If you want this action figure, punta lang kayo mga ma'am sir sa Laruanan. Again, thank you very much Laruanan for these very cool Spider-Punk action figure. Yan, ganito yung magiging action niya kapag nilalaro niya yung pinutugtog niya yung Spider-Man designed na guitar. Pero tingnan niyo ito mga ma'am sir, super fine ng mga guitar lines dito, yung mga strings. I wonder how they do that. Very nice. Ang ganda ng print nila dito. Tapos meron ding mga buttons dito sa part na to. And meron ding panel lines na white. Very cool guitar design. Yan. Overall, this is a very nice action figure from ZD Toys. Marami pa tayong i-unbox mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Okay? So yun lang mga ma'am, sir. That's it. So thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!